everyone! I'm so excited to share this fantastic Atomy Synergy Ampoule with you today. The Synergy Ampoule is to provide strong skin recovery and youth restoring. You will experience a miracle in 4 weeks. It's only a 4-week program. I have finished 1 box already, so this is my 2nd box. Let me explain and demonstrate how to use these ampoules for you. I love this product so much. Look at this. How luxury, fancy, and sophisticated it is. When you open it, there are 4 bottles of ampoule. Each one has a different function. These ampoules are high functional product. The first one is code 0. Advanced hydration for hydration and elasticity function. The reason it's called code 0 is to make your skin condition from minus to 0. So what I strongly recommend to you is to use this Atomy Evening 4 system before you start this ampoule. The second one is code 1, Vital Luminous, which is for whitening, brightening, and glowing. It contains 13 multivitamin prestige brightening ampoule. The important thing you need to remember about this code 1 is Vital Luminous is to mix the active ingredient 2 hours prior to use, since the vitamin capsule takes time to melt in the core ampoule. The third one is code 2, 24 karat gold infusion. Wow, fancy! Which is for elasticity and lifting. It takes care of wrinkles. The last one is code 3, the Miracle Rejuvenating, which is for anti-aging. I'll be right back after I use the deep cleanser, foam cleanser, and the peeling gel to get rid of the dead skin to get the maximized benefit from this ampoule. Stay tuned! I just washed my face thoroughly and sprayed the 3-second water. I'll use this absolute toner on my entire face and the neck. Every time I apply any skincare product, I try to wrap up my face with my warm hands to allow it to penetrate as deeply as possible. And it's time to apply this Synergy Ampoule code 0. You need to take off this plastic wrap first and then press down hard for the active ingredient to come down. See? Shake well to mix it. Don't you love the color blue? So excited. Then we need to take out the spoit and take off the paper and change the cap to the spoit. Like this. And I apply spoit right on my face. And be generous to your skin. You need to apply enough amount for the best result. This 1 bottle is for a week. I gently massage my whole face and neck. and gently press down to allow it to go deeply. No rush between layers. And repeat the massage. I like to enjoy this time for myself and try to imagine I'm at a luxury spa or store or resort. It will definitely reduce your stress and rejuvenate your skin condition. After I finish applying the Synergy Ampoule, I follow with Absolute Ampoule or lotion, eye complex, nutrition cream, depends on the weather and my skin condition. So refer to your skin type and weather environment. You can use the Synergy Ampoule morning and night, except the cold one. I wouldn't recommend to use it in the morning, which is the multivitamin ampoule. And I use the Absolute Spot Out Essence following the Synergy Ampoule at night time. You can use Atomy Peel Off Mask after you finish, but I would wait a little bit until my skin has absorbed the products. I hope this video helped you and enjoy the Atomy Synergy Ampoule program. I'm sure your skin will be glowing and beautiful. Enjoy! Bye-bye!